managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up delicious snacks. In fact, the right choices can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you energized throughout the day. Welcome to Health Tips 365, where today we're sharing the best healthy snacks for diabetics. Delicious, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Navigating the world of snacks can be a minefield for anyone. But for diabetics, it requires a careful balance of taste, nutrition, and blood sugar management. The market is flooded with options that promise health benefits, but often fall short when scrutinized for their actual impact on blood glucose levels. The key to finding the right snacks is understanding how different foods affect your body and choosing those that provide both satisfaction and stability. First, let's talk about the importance of fiber. Fiber is a diabetic's best friend because it slows the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Whole fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are excellent sources of fiber. An apple with a handful of almonds, for example, is a perfect snack. The apple provides natural sweetness and fiber, while the almonds add healthy fats and protein, creating a balanced snack that will keep you full and your blood sugar stable. Speaking of almonds, nuts and seeds are another fantastic option for diabetics. They are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which makes them satisfying and blood sugar friendly. A small handful of walnuts, pistachios, or sunflower seeds can be a great snack. Just remember to watch portion sizes, as nuts are calorie-dense. Pairing them with a piece of fruit or a few carrot sticks can add volume and additional nutrients to your snack. Greek yogurt is another excellent snack choice. It is high in protein and can be paired with a variety of toppings to suit your taste. Adding a few berries can provide the sweetness you crave without the sugar overload. Berries are lower in sugar compared to other fruits and are packed with antioxidants. A sprinkle of chia seeds can add extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, enhancing the nutritional profile of your snack. For those who prefer something savory, hummus with vegetable sticks is a great option. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are high in protein and fiber. Pairing hummus with crunchy vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, or celery not only adds texture, but also increases your intake of vitamins and minerals. This combination is not only delicious, but also keeps your blood sugar levels in check. If you're looking for something that feels more like a treat, consider making your own trail mix. Store-bought versions often contain added sugars and unhealthy fats. By making your own, you can control the ingredients. Combine your favorite nuts, seeds, and a small amount of dark chocolate or dried fruit for a touch of sweetness. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa is lower in sugar and contains beneficial antioxidants, making it a better choice than milk chocolate. Another delightful snack is avocado toast. Use whole grain or rye bread, which has a lower glycemic index than white bread, meaning it has a slower, more gradual effect on blood sugar. Top it with slices of avocado, which provides healthy monosaturated fats, fiber, and a creamy texture. For added flavor, sprinkle some chili flakes or a squeeze of lime juice. This snack is not only satisfying, but also heart-healthy. Hard-boiled eggs are a convenient, and protein-rich snack that can be prepared in advance and taken on the go. They are low in carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for blood sugar control. For variety, you can season them with a little salt and pepper or paprika. Pairing them with a few cherry tomatoes or a small salad can add freshness and nutrients to your snack time. For those who enjoy baking, consider making your own diabetic-friendly muffins. Using almond flour or coconut flour instead of regular flour can reduce the carbohydrate content. Sweeten them with natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit, and add in some blueberries or grated zucchini for flavor and moisture. These muffins can be a delightful treat without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Finally, staying hydrated is crucial, especially for diabetics. Sometimes what we perceive as hunger is actually thirst. Drinking water, herbal tea, or infused water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint can not only quench your thirst, but also help you avoid unnecessary snacking. If you prefer something a bit more substantial, a smoothie made with unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach, half a banana, and a scoop of protein powder can be both refreshing and nourishing. In conclusion, Snacking as a diabetic doesn't have to be a chore or a source of anxiety. By choosing snacks that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying options that help maintain stable blood sugar levels. The key is to plan ahead, be mindful of portion sizes, and embrace a variety of flavors and textures. With a little creativity and knowledge, you can turn snack time into an enjoyable part of your day while supporting your health and well-being.